Hi friends, welcome to TurboMaths channel. Can you solve this question? 8 divided by 8 minus 2 times 8, then over 5. First, we simplify the question. 8 divided by 8 minus 2 times 8, then divided by 5. According to the order of operation, first we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have division, subtraction, and multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we do division, after that we do multiplication. Because the multiplication and division have the same priority, and we start from the left and simplify. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 minus 2 times 8, then divided by 5. Now we do multiplication. Negative 2 times 8 equal negative 16. Now we have a new expression. 1 minus 16, then divided by 5. Okay guys, let's simplify the question and get the final answer. 1 minus 16 equal negative 15. And negative 15 divided by 5 equal negative 3. And we get the final answer of this question. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.